Let's dive into Mark Zuckerberg's legacy, not the successes, but his missteps, right?
Yep, absolutely. It's a wild ride through privacy breaches, data mishandling, and a whole lot more.
Right. So, first up, the massive privacy violations. Think about the Cambridge Analytica scandal, where data from millions of Facebook users, including their friends' info, got leaked without consent. That basically shook the foundations
Exactly.
of trust in the platform.
And then the controversies kept stacking. Could you believe that later on Instagram's passwords were stored in like plain text? That's mind-blowing, right?
Yeah, it really is. And there was that huge leak of over 500 million user data points, phone numbers, emails, locations, all out there for the taking. It's like there's just no clear commitment to user privacy, if you ask me.
Exactly. Moving on, we've also got to talk about the misinformation and manipulation angle. Remember the Russian interference during the 2016 US election when fake accounts and divisive content proliferated on Facebook?
Yeah, it's like a perfect storm of mismanagement, right? And then add in the COVID misinformation and anti vaccine content. That's a serious public
Right.
health issue. It's hard to overstate how dangerous that was.
And what about hate speech? The way Facebook's algorithms have amplified extreme content has led to real world violence. For instance, the Rohingya genocide and even the Capitol riot are tangible examples of this dangerous trend.
Absolutely. It's like their engagement driven algorithms created an environment where hate
Yep,
could
indeed.
easily flourish. And Zuckerberg's admission of being too slow to act on these issues doesn't really cut it when the stakes are so high.
Then there's the impact on mental health. It was spotlighted that Instagram, for example, was worsening body image issues among teen girls. That's super concerning, prioritizing growth over well being.
For sure, it's like the race for profit really overshadowed ethical responsibilities. And let's not even get started on those addictive algorithms that have contributed to political polarization and even radicalization.
Exactly. Now, shifting gears a bit to business practices, Zuckerberg's aggressive acquisitions of Instagram and WhatsApp have triggered, antitrust debates, right?
Yeah, and it's not just acquiring, it's also about copying features from competitors like Snapchat and TikTok, which some say stifles genuine
Right, that's a
innovation.
real point of contention.
Sometimes one could argue that these strategies prioritize market dominance over fair competition.
And then there's the ambitious metaverse bet, investing billions into this VR vision, yet it's struggling hard with like over $10 billion losses in VR. A real head scratcher, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. It's like pouring resources into a dream with no immediate payoff. Investors and employees alike are pretty skeptical about whether this virtual reality frontier is really the future.
Yeah, definitely. Before we wrap up, I have a quick challenge. Don't you think that sometimes the critics might be exaggerating some points? I mean, Meta is innovating and experimenting, right?
True, some might say that. But honestly, when you look at the repeated data breaches, the misleading handling of misinformation, and the real harm from hate speech, it seems like those criticisms really hold water.
I see what you mean. It's a balance for sure. And while innovation is crucial, accountability and ethical practices can't really be ignored.
Exactly. It's a cautionary tale. Growth at the expense of ethics and responsibility has real world consequences. It's a reminder that tech giants must be held accountable.
Absolutely, exactly. Well, this discussion really shows how one person's legacy can both revolutionize and complicate the tech landscape. Thanks for unpacking all this. Really thought provoking stuff.
No problem. It's been a wild ride through Zuckerberg's missteps, and it certainly gives us a lot to think about.